Hello, in this video we will create a new project in TIA portal. When you open your TIA portal software, you will see this page, okay? This is the portal view, and left side you will see project view. And if you go to project view, there is no project is created. Then you will see just online access area and card reader USB memory area, but it doesn't matter. First of all, we will create a new project and new, and I will say project 3 new project, okay? And now project is creating. In TIA portal you will see portal view, and then after you created a new project, devices and networks and PLC programming and motion and technology and visualization and online and diagnostics areas are activated now. And then what we need to do for our project, we need to add a device for our project. Device is CPU, Siemens CPU that we need to add. Devices and networks, and we will add new device. And in here you will see the controllers and the HMI and PC systems, okay? We will add controller. Controller is Siemens PLC or CPU. And I will work with the S7 1200 CPUs, and I will select. Dear students, if you want to learn PLC programming effectively and professionally, you can learn it with the Derstagram. If you go to Udemy, if you search in here Derstagram, you will see my 4 course, and then we are creating a new PLC programming courses and the next things. First of all, if you go to complete Delta PLC programming course, you will see 127 lectures and 14 total hours course for Delta PLCs. And in Omron PLC programming, you will see 2 different software. CX1 plus Simatic Studio software is included to this course. If you go to in right side, you will see 10.5 hours video tutorial, okay, and then 14 articles and etc. And if you go there a little bit down, you will see complete sections and whole HMIs also. And also you can read, you can see Siemens PLC Programming Basics and the Lenza PLC Programming Basics. The Lenza is the first course that ever created in YouTube, in Udemy also. And there you will see like a codesys, okay, a lot of course points in Lenza. If you go to course sections, okay, you will see Lenza PLC Programming Basics and also industrial automation basics like a power supplies and relays, and these sections are always updating, and also control circuit basics and etc. and gifts. If you want to reach to these courses with the lowest price, you need to go to www.derstagram.com, okay, and then you will see these courses reach course buttons. If you left click to Omron PLC Programming reach course button, you will see lowest price coupon is added to here, okay. If you go to, for example, Lenza, and then you will see lowest price coupon is added to here, okay. So you can reach to whole courses with the lowest price coupon via derstagram.com, okay, and you can learn PLC programming with us. See you in the courses. CPU 1214 DC, DC, DC. And if you go there, you will see 3 different type and 3 different type CPU, okay? And I will select AG40 0XP0, and you will see the version numbers, okay? This is the latest version number, and description of this CPU is here. Then you will see the complete specifications of our complete input and output numbers, and the analog inputs and outputs, and the high speed counters, and the pulse outputs on boards, and etc. You will see them all from here. If you go another one CPU, you will see it's changed. Okay, I will select this one and I will go there and I will say add. Okay, and after I say add, this CPU is going to be added to my project, and in project you will see this CPU is added to here. Okay, and if you go there, you will see complete areas are opened now. Device configuration and online and diagnostics and program blocks area. We will write our programs to main organization block 1, and complete files or folders are opened and created. This is how can we create a new project and how can we add a CPU to our project, and how can we select our CPUs according to our existing and real one CPUs. Okay, I am finished for this video. See you in the next video.